Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili or Nighttime Swahili in 10 minutes. We're gonna try to make this 10 minutes because we are back to school.
I have 30 mosquito bites.
Serious business, right? Hi fresh kids, how are you? How is everyone doing? Nighttime Swahili with
Smiling Saba.
Smiling Saba, Fresh Pro 11 and Fresh Mommy. Alright, fresh kids at home, we hope you are ready. Once again, we are going to be just continuing to review. We want to continue making sentences because that's what will help us with speaking our Swahili. Alright, before we get going, Fresh Pro 11 has a joke for us and we are gonna get it. Okay, go ahead. We are trying to make this day. Oh, we get that one.
Finally!
Did you get that one? The door.
No, I forgot what it was. Theodore. Like the door. You see how Theodore spelled? See, he didn't get it.
Finally. No, but at least finally something that we kind of get. Okay, so again we are continuing with the sentence formation. All right, let's go. All right, now before we do the sentence formation, let's review some of the common words again. What's yes? Ndio. What's no?
No. Hapana.
What's please? Tafadhali. What's thank you? What's I love you? What is okay? What is okay? Sawa. What is excuse me? What about I'm sorry? What's welcome? What's goodbye? English? Swahili? I understand? I don't understand. Help? Do? See? See you? Say or speak? Want? Call? Good job. Respond? Tell? By the way, I can barely hear you. What about here? What about listen? 11, can you come this way for me, please? So that was no. Come back. Go
But they can hear me.
So that was where were we? We were at tell. What's tell?
Ambia.
Here.
Here was Sikia.
Sikia. Listen.
Sikiliza.
Good job. Feel.
Sikia.
Feel is Sikia. Sick.
Mgonjwa.
Healthy.
Mzima.
No.
Jua.
I don't know.
Sijui.
Good job. Question.
Swali.
Answer.
Jibu.
Beautiful. Awesome. High five. Why did you go back? Come back. I know, me either.
Yeah.
All right, let's form some sentences. So today we were back in school. Help me form some sentences like I went to school today.
Nenda shule.
Huh?
Nenda shule.
So
Nini nenda shule.
nilienda shule leo. I went to school today. Good job. What about did you come back home from school?
Yeah, on the bus.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why we're here.
I can't see you. It seems like mommy is the only one in the video. Come back. Beautiful. Come all the way up.
Why?
No, but you're tiny and you're behind there, so it looks like
Yeah, I am the tiniest.
and then it looks like mommy is occupying the whole space. So come back here. All right. So, did you come back home? Say I came back home. How would you say I came back home?
Ninarudi nyumbani.
Nili. I came back home. Nilirudi nyumbani. All right. When you were in school, did you write?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me that I wrote. In Swahili.
Ninaandika. Niliandika.
I wrote. Good
Leo.
job, good job. Niliandika leo. Very, very good. What about
You write every day, Mom.
did you
No,
read?
of course.
Did you read? Come
Yeah.
on.
Not really.
Huh?
No.
I didn't read.
You didn't read? You guys did not read any book, did not read any of the work?
No. Perfect school.
What kind of schooling is this? Okay, very, very interesting. Okay.
Perfect school.
Huh? I signed you guys up for school that doesn't involve reading. That is very strange. Okay, did you learn something today?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the sentence for I learned something today? Nili.
Nilisoma
Uh-huh.
world geography.
World geography, good job. What about if you learned English? What would you say? But if you did, you would say ulisoma nini? Did you learn some English today?
No.
What did you?
Speak English.
No, learn in like ELA.
English.
No.
Ulisoma nini?
Ulisoma.
Ulisoma nini means what did you learn?
Ulisoma teacher.
Nilisoma.
I learned about my teacher.
Nilisoma juu ya mwalimu. Mwalimu is teacher, yeah?
I learned about everybody in the class.
Na wanafunzi
And
wengine.
then
Uh-huh.
we did go noodles, go noodles, go noodles, go noodles.
Mkafanya go nudu all that time? All day?
Yeah.
That sounds like a fun class. What? I want to come to your
You
class.
guys just did go noodles?
All right. Now, in the morning, did you
We did 4 go noodles in the morning.
tell me the thing that you did in the morning over here? Nili means I did. Okay.
Nilikula
Uh-huh.
leo.
Nilikula nini?
I did.
Nilikula cereal.
Nafaka.
Nafaka.
Uh-huh.
Nilikula nafaka leo.
Uh-huh.
Nilikunywa
Uh-huh. Juisi.
juisi
Uh-huh.
leo.
Uh-huh.
Niliondoa vyombo
Uh-huh.
leo.
All right. Good job. Saba, what did you do over here this morning?
Wala.
Okay, so nilikula.
Nilikula.
Ulikula nini breakfast? Nafaka?
Nafaka.
Aha. Ulikunywa juisi? Say nilikunywa juisi.
Wait.
Ulikunywa nini?
Nilikunywa.
Aha.
Capri-Sun.
Ulikunywa Capri-Sun.
Why
Okay.
do people say Capri-Sun? It's Capri-Sun.
Na uliondoa, did you ondoa your vyombo? Right here.
Oh yes, I did.
Okay, so tell me in a sentence, niliondoa vyombo.
Niliondoa vyombo.
All right, awesome.
Stole my sentence.
Okay, what about earlier again this morning? Did you do any of this stuff? Or even right now?
Bum, bum,
And you can say
bum,
nime,
bum,
I
bum.
have.
Nimekuoga leo.
Oga. Remember when you're using it in a sentence, you say oga.
Nimeoga leo.
And then you
Why
can
is
add
it
na.
nime?
Nimeoga na.
Nimeoga na oga.
What
Na.
if you see his
No.
Nimeoga na kutumia choo. Umetumia choo leo?
His hair.
Umetumia choo leo?
He's part.
We're waiting for you.
He has more hair than us. That's unfair.
Can we focus?
He has more
Imagine
hair than
ananywele.
us.
We are going to wrap this up in by 10. So tell me the stuff that you have done over here. Nimetumia choo leo.
Nimetumia choo.
Mhm.
Nimeoga.
Nimeoga.
Nimenawa mikono. Nimechana nywele. Nimepiga mswaki. Nimeosha uso.
Umeosha uso. Yeah, so you did everything. Okay, fresh bro. Saba, did you do all this stuff?
Yeah.
Say nilitumia choo. Yeah, you gotta do it quickly. Say nilitumia choo.
Nilinawa mikono.
Nilioga.
Nilioga. Niliosha uso. Nilipiga mswaki.
Nilichana nywele. Awesome. So we are gonna wrap it up. We said we're gonna wrap it up in 10 minutes. Practice every day, even if it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, every single day. Be
50
consistent.
run out of time.
Asante sana, asante.
Subscribe to the channel, post the location, and comment down below how you like this video. Fresh Bro 7 out.
We all.
Kwaheri.